Good morning everyone, I am Sweetie from BCA second sem batch 1 and today I am here to give a presentation on the topic advantages of C language. So let's start it. So while using any programming language, there are some advantages and disadvantages both exist. So let's discuss advantages first. So first of all, know what is C programming language. So C is a high-level programming language that were developed in early 1970s by Danish Ritchie. Also, C cover all the basic concept of programming, and it is a base or mother programming language to learn object-oriented programming like C++, Java, etc. So advantages of C language. So first one is portable language. So this is the first advantage of C language, which is its portability. This means that a C program written on one platform can be compiled and run on another platform without any modification or changes. Suppose you write a program on Windows, so you can also compile and run the same program on Linux also. Second one is powerful and efficient language. So C is a robust language as it contains many data types and operators to give you a vast platform to perform all kind of operation. Also, it allows you to build application and operating system and many more. Third one is building block for many other language. So C is considered to be the fundamental language due to its simplicity and elegance. Also, there are many languages like C++, Java, Python, etc. are built with the base of C language. Fourth one is built-in function. So C has many built-in functions that are a part of standard library. The most commonly used built-in function in C are input-output function, string function, and many more. Also, there are only 32 keywords having many different built-in functions. And the last one is middle-level language. So C is considered to be the middle-level language. That means it supports high-level language as well as low-level language. It supports the use of kernel and driver in low-level programming language, and also it supports operating system software in high-level programming language. In conclusion, C provides a vast data type and advantages, which makes it versatile and powerful language in C language. That's all from my side. Thank you.